Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a lovely example of a Porsche 997 convertible. This particular car, we've replaced the PCM unit. It's very old technology. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this car using ACV, fascia trim and wiring loom adapters. As you can see here, we've got the CarPlay screen up. You can swap between the CarPlay and the radio. If I go onto there, DAB. So it's got DAB, digital radio, it's got FM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless and wired. It's also got a couple of camera inputs as well, so you can have a dash cam linked to this and the reverse camera. They haven't got this feature on this particular install. The USB goes in the glove box, so you can charge your phone in there if you wanted to, or put a music streaming device in there, a memory stick. If I go back on there, if you like to have this done in your Porsche 997 or any car in fact, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.